Feeling stuck in a weight loss rut? Trust me, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the scale, sighing at the mirror, and wondering why nothing's working. That was me, until I found my secret weapon, the 5-day Detox Smoothie Diet Plan. It's not just another trend, it's a delicious, science-backed strategy to jumpstart results in just 5 days. These smoothies aren't your average blender creations. They're nutrient-packed powerhouses. Think of them as your daily multivitamin, but way tastier. With vibrant greens, juicy fruits, and superfoods that are basically smoothie royalty, every sip fuels your body while melting away the stubborn stuff. The best part? It's sustainable. No crash dieting, no starving, and no weird ingredients you've never heard of. Just real food, real flavors, and real results. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and ready to take on your goals without the guesswork. Busy schedule? No problem. This plan is tailor-made for working professionals, parents, and anyone short on time. Prep once and enjoy all week. Done and done. And if you're already into clean eating or tracking macros, this plan slides right into your routine like it was meant to be there. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a Weight Watchers warrior, or just someone looking for a reset, this plan is your jam. Ready to sip your way to success? Your blender is about to become your best friend. Click the link in the description and start your 5-day detox adventure today. Let's blend and glow, friend.